Check this out. But you know what? You run into a lot of these this time of year. Now, just in relation to show you how tall it is. Alright. This is AC unit. So what's that, about 3-4 feet? Okay, let me show you. So it's up past my knee, and I'm 6'1". Can't get no big mower in here. And I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use. This, and guess what else? And that right there. And guess what else? It ain't gonna take Big Son no longer than about 25 minutes. You go figure. Exactly. Same price you get for one of them big immaculate houses over across town. What you say about that, boys and girls?